Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be doing part one of a two-part video, wig and makeup transformation on my sister Destiny. Yeah, y'all can tell she my sister because she just be looking crazy all up and down this video. I'm sorry about that, but at the end of the day, she still was cute. Okay, y'all, so for this installation, she bought this hair from TEMU, actually. And I must say that it was very good quality. I know she actually used the wig before I installed it in myself. But after a wash and conditioning, I was able to bring it back to life and give it that moisture and that shine and be able to use it again brand new. It was very affordable, minimum shedding, so make sure y'all go check out TEMU Wigs for nice, affordable, good quality wigs. Also, for the glue, we use Bold Hold. I think that is an awesome product. It's very sturdy. Rain, sleet, snow, sweat. It's not going anywhere. So make sure y'all get y'all some Bold Hold for y'all wig installations. And right now, this video is pretty much self-explanatory, very beginner friendly. But I also will be creating more videos explaining details step by step of how I am installing the wigs. But in today's video, you'll just be able to see, and go along with it of how you do your wig installations. So make sure you continue to watch to the end, and I'll see you soon. see what's going on here. Getting them edges right and getting that wig laid and melted. Make sure y'all stay tuned for part 2 of this video, including the final reveal and makeup included. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in part 2. Bye.